Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide to help you locate all your flagged emails in Outlook on your PC using the latest update. Flagged emails are a great way to keep track of important messages, and finding them has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. Once you've logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice an icon labeled My Day. Click on it. This is where the magic begins. The My Day feature is designed to streamline your productivity by giving you access to tasks, flagged emails, and calendar events all in one place. Next, after clicking on My Day, you'll be directed to a section called To Do. This is essentially your hub for managing tasks and flagged items. Once inside the To Do section, you'll see multiple options for organizing your work. Instead of selecting Tasks, which is the default option, click on Flagged Emails. This specific view filters out all other items and displays only the emails you've flagged for follow-up. And that's it. You now have a clear and organized view of all your flagged emails in one convenient location. This feature is especially useful if you've flagged messages across different folders, but need to access them quickly without manually searching through each folder. By following these steps, you can ensure that no important email slips through the cracks. Whether it's for work, personal organization, or staying on top of deadlines, flagged emails are an essential tool, and now you know exactly how to find them with ease. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide helped you streamline your email management, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Stay productive and organized.